snow. Woo! Okay. We got about 2 feet of snow. What do you think, Dad? Woohoo! Come on! Ah, look at all this! It's like 2 feet right there! That's awesome.
There's so much snow.
I know! Woo. Go back here. Woo! Nice, Dad! Isn't that great? I know, it's so much fun! It's so much fun! Let's go! He's grabbing my mane. He's grabbing my mane. He's grabbing my mane! Come here! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Woo! This is deep. Look how deep it is. Wow! I'm happy! Oh, it's cold! It's so cold! Oh, it's cold. I don't have my mitten on. There's a lot of bloody snow down here. A lot of bloody snow. I gotta put my mitten on. Woo! It's blowing down. There we go. It's hard to get up because you can't put your hands down because it's nothing to put your hands down on. Okay, Dex, can you move, baby? Okay, go. Oh, man. Wow. Once you get down, you can't get up because it's too deep. There's nowhere to put your hands.
Hi, buddy. Oh, you're so excited.
Hehehe